We're back today with a 1999 caliber 40 LRC, and it's one of those vessels that you have to make the time to see. She has been meticulously maintained and is extremely well equipped. She's a rare find on today's market and is ready for her next owners to move their gear on aboard and start cruising. Let's take a look. The Caliber's trademark bulkhead and internal grid system is designed for strength and safety. The molded swim platform on the transom has a swim ladder and a freshwater shower. The cockpit is spacious and protected from the elements by a Dodger and bimini, as well as partial side screens and aft sunscreen. It features Raymarine electronics and has a rail-mounted barbecue. There's a cockpit icebox and a cockpit locker where the two air conditioner compressors are located, but there is still plenty of storage space. The shrouds are inboard, allowing a tighter sheeting angle, and the 28-inch lifelines along with the aluminum handrails still make movements on the deck safe and easy. The divided anchor locker is deep, with enough room to store fenders and dinghy fuel. Ventilation below is excellent due to the many hatches, vents, and portholes on deck. The aluminum double spreader mast is keel stepped and features Selden in-mast roller furling. Moving below, you're greeted by a main salon that is well illuminated and richly furnished antique and takes full advantage of the 6'5" headroom and a wide beam. Storage area is generous and there are lockers above, below, and behind both settees. When extra guests arrive, the port L-shaped settee converts to a double berth and the starboard settee can also be used as a berth. Teak wall panels make this a warm and inviting area where much of your time will be spent. The table can fold up, creating a large living space, and when folded down, reveals storage behind and becomes the perfect dining area. Any cook would love this large and efficient L-shaped galley. It has a 2-burner LPG gas stove with oven and lots of storage for food and utensils. There is more than enough counter space to prepare your meals. The galley also features a 6 cubic feet top-loading refrigerator and freezer, which are separate compartments and each has its own holding plate and compressor. The nav station with its large chart table makes plotting easy and the lid raises for instrument and chart storage. There's also additional storage under the seat. The aft head can be accessed from the main salon area by day or privately by the guests in the aft stateroom at night. The same comfort and convenience found in the forward stateroom is also present in the aft stateroom, which has a double berth, large hanging lockers, and private access to the aft head. In this case, the owners are using it to store the cockpit cushions and sunshades. The owner's stateroom is forward, and instead of a confining V-berth, there is a generous offset queen-size Pullman berth to port with abundant storage space and drawers below and a bookshelf above. To starboard, there is a large cedar-lined hanging locker and the optional additional storage unit with extra drawer space. The spacious private head has a separate walk-in shower with a built-in teak seat and a large plexiglass shower door. There is plenty of elbow room and storage above and below the sink. This combination of the two makes extended cruising luxuriously livable. She is powered by a 54 horsepower Yanmar diesel, and you have 360-degree access in the dedicated engine room. The Caliber 40 LRC is an excellent couples boat due to her wonderful design and appointments. The rugged construction, heavy rigging, and cockpit design provide safe and comfortable offshore passage making. The full specs and asking price are at the link in the description below, and for our other listings, visit our website.